Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Magica. Today we will discuss about area. Now, what is area? What is area? Area measures the surface area, measures the surface of a simple closed region. The units of area are the units of area are the square of the units of length. Area can be expressed as square units. Area can be expressed as square units. First is area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. The formula of area of rectangle is length multiply its breadth. Area of a rectangle is equal to length multiply its breadth. This is the formula of area of a rectangle. Now the question is, find the area of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 9 centimeter. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 9 centimeter. Length is equal to 12 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 9 centimeter. This is a figure of rectangle. Length is 12 centimeter. Breadth is 9 centimeter. Area of a rectangle is equal to, apply the formula, length multiply its breadth. Put the value. Length is 12 centimeter. Breadth is 9 centimeter. 12 multiplied by 9 is 108. Unit of area is square units. It means square. Unit is centimeter. Area is 108 square centimeter. This is your required answer. Moving on to next topic, area of a square. The sides of square are equal in length. In other words, square is a type of rectangle whose all sides are equal. The formula of area of square is equal to the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Write down length into breadth. Sides of square are equal. It means side length is equal to side and breadth is also equal to side. Side multiply its side. Therefore, formula of area of a square is equal to side multiply side. Now the question of area of square is, find the area of the square whose side is 11 centimeter. Find the area of square whose side is 11 centimeter. Solution is, first draw the figure of square. Side is 11 centimeter. In square, all sides are equal. 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter. Side is equal to 11 centimeter. Apply the formula of area of the square is equal to area of the square is equal to side multiply side. Put the value. Side is equal to 11 centimeter. Multiply with 11 centimeter. 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. Area is always in square unit. Square unit is centimeter. It means 121 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the square is equal to 121 square centimeter. This is your required answer. Now the last topic is area of a right angled triangle. Now first draw the figure of rectangle. Name it as A, B, C, D. AB is the length, AD is the breadth. Join BD. BD is a diagonal. It divides it into two equal parts. Part 1 and Part 2. Both are right angled triangles. Name it as ABD and BCD. Area of right angled triangle is equal to half the area of rectangle. Half into area of rectangle is length multiply its breadth. Now length is base and breadth is height. This is a right angle triangle. A, B, C. AB is base. AC is height. Therefore, the formula of area of a right angle triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now the question is, find the area of a right angled triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Find the area of a right angled triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Solution is, base is equal to 8 centimeter, height is equal to 5 centimeter. First draw the diagram. Base is equal to 8 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter. Apply the formula of area of a right angled triangle is equal to half into base into height. Put the value. Half into base is 8 centimeter. Height is 5 centimeter. Simplify it. 2 ones are 2. 4 twos are 8. 1 multiply with 4 centimeter. Multiply with 5 centimeter. 1 multiply by 4 is 4. 4 multiply by 5 is 20 square centimeter. This is your required answer. Area of a right angle triangle is equal to 20 square centimeter. Thank you.